This is Rhino Rally.
That's the sad part.
A little too much.
Check it out, dude.
Oh, wow, guys. Check that out. Jason over here on the right. Let's see if we can get that. It's my favorite animal at Rhino Rally. It's a Grant gazelle. Don't worry, we'll get another look at it. The reason it's my favorite, it travels in groups of 1 male, 4 females.
Lucky guy.
Oh, yes, exactly. You can always tell which one is the male, too. He's the one with the biggest smile on his face. Exactly. Look at that over there on the left. Tourists.
Tourist.
Hey, now don't laugh. Once you leave this ride, you will become tourists, and then we'll laugh at you. So just keep that in mind.
I think we should have taken your ride first. Yeah.
And right next to it, the largest land animal with knees. No, I meant the elephant.
The poop or the...
Anyway, those elephants weigh anywhere from 3 to 6 tons in size.
The elephant? Look, Neil.
Now, the dirt and grass you see up on their backs, folks, they throw that up there for 2 reasons. As a type of sunscreen, also as a type of bug repellent. Now, their trunks hold up to 3 gallons of water. In one day, they'll drink about 60 gallons of water. Yeah, and I always wonder what happens to that water when it comes out.
Uh-oh. Hello.
I think we're about to find out. Hold on, Jason. Hold on, guys. Woo! Wow! Oh, yeah, that's... oh, Jason, we're out of gas, buddy. You're going to have to get out and push. I'm just kidding. That's what the people from Michigan are for.
Oh, we're used to pushing out of snow.
Yeah. Uh-oh, guys, bad news. I just spotted the most fiercest creature in Africa, the vicious African killer ducks. Oh, yes. In an experiment gone foul, these ducks can eat a whole elephant with a box of quackers.
Quackers?
Quackers, yeah. Their main call is Aflac.
You're a nice guy.
I know, yeah.
I got him.
That's my only redeeming quality.
See the rhino, Andrew?
Yeah, look at that rhino. Yeah, right in front of us. These ones, they look like deer, smell like deer, probably taste like deer. We'll find out tonight. They're a member of the antelope family called Uganda cob. Now you see the ones their lips are moving? They're speaking. If you listen carefully, you can hear what they're saying. Come back to Michigan! Oh, that was awful. I'm sorry,
You
guys.
are too good.
Ah, man.
Yeah.
Look, I got my pole.
You gotta just stand up there.
Oh, man. I can't quit my day job because then I'd be good.
Yeah, I heard that.
Oh, folks on the right, Ally McBeal in her Emmy dress.
Hello.
Pink flamingos.
Yeah, this guy's good.
Yeah, I like him. You want to have a drink afterwards?
Oh boy, I wish. I mean, no. Hey, you know why the flamingos stand on one leg? Because if they pick up the other leg, they'll fall over. Think about it. Hold on, guys, we're back. That's how you wake up everybody in the back, Jason. You like your camera, huh? You're making a documentary? This is like the Blair Witch Project 17, right? Hey, there it is, folks. But that's the back end of the rhino. Woo! Yeah! How you doing? I'll call you. That's what I always tell them. Anyway, those rhinos, their heads alone weigh about 2,000 pounds. Wow. Yeah, their total body weight 7,000 pounds, weighing as much as 3 compact cars. Now, folks, I do apologize about the water portion being down today, but to make it up to you, I'm going to buy you all donuts from over here at the Rhino Rally Bakery. All right?
Oh, nasty.
Yeah, those are delicious.
What is the water portion, out of curiosity?
It's just a silly little river adventure. Yeah, you get really wet.
Oh, no, we don't want that.
Yeah. I get lost. All right. Hey, Jason, is it just me or does the rock on the right kind of look like the back end of a rhino, too?
It does.
See, no cracks better.
Look at Bob.
Look at that. Now, the horn that you see on the rhino's head is not a true horn. It's not attached to their skull, but to their skin, and it's made of the same stuff as our hair and our fingernail.
You see its cacas.
Hey, look, those guys look like they're having fun. I wonder what that's like. Okay, anyway, so...
I think we got the right driver.
Yeah, man, you guys saw the rest now. You're right with the best. Now, oh, no, bridge. Bridge is out. You know what? We're going for it. Hold on, everybody. Whoa! Oh, what did you listen? That was fun.
That was cool.
Oh, crikeys, crocodiles. Now these guys can jump astonishing 11 feet out of the water. Occasionally they will eat someone from Michigan.
All right.
I'm just kidding.
The spinner's right back out.
It's more than occasionally. And here, the thing about those crocodiles that I wanted to mention is that they are an endangered species, so that would make their poop endangered feces. Yeah, folks. I told you these jokes won't get any better. Now, pay no attention to that Land Rover there. He's doing test runs on the river. So hopefully this is a good sign. Hopefully this means that the water portion will be back up in a little while, folks. So please do stick around. And hey, you know, if you had a good time, my name was the Ace. If you didn't, it was Jason. Hey, his name's Jason too.
Yeah, but you're cute, Jason.
Yeah, this guy Jason, he rocks. That Jason is terrible. Jason. This guy's Frank. He looks like a meatball with hands and feet.
A meatball with hands.
Hey, today is Frank's 42nd birthday, so everyone say, Happy birthday, Frank! Happy birthday, Frank! My name is Anson, like Hanson without the H.
Okay, you got it, man.
Thank you, guys. Have a great day.